Today I will show you how to repair the LED defect. This is the defect as you see from your line. This is a line going on, and now we will show you how to repair from the laser. Okay, Jack.
Okay.
Show it.
The CD is okay.
This is a laser machine for the repair for LCD or LED. Yeah, this is the line over here. This line.
A spot.
Yeah, this line.
Yes. A spot. The line is made by the spot, so we can clear
Okay.
the spot. The line is disappear.
Okay, let's have a look.
Can. 这个位置，这上面有指标，没有打亮的。这边是吧？这是上光，红光底下。对上了。哦，这个用另一个，这个7的这种是吧？用另一个CD，没事 CD 给先给它展示一下。We have a better CCD. The CCD is not very. The performance is not very high.
Okay.
That line is very high.
That machine has very high power, right?
Yes.
Okay. That is made in Japan. This is made in
This disappear like okay.
disappear?
Yes.
Yeah.
But we need to repair this one.
Okay, we have to repair this one as we see from your eyes.
Yes.
There is a one line over here. Yeah. Like how to repair this now? Yeah, this one, very clear over here. Yeah, this line need to repair. And this is all over here. Like, show me how to repair this.
The back line, the yellow line, the yellow line.
The yellow line over here.
Yes, the signal is not in the line, so we need to give the signal into this line.
So how we know that this line have some problem? Where is the problem? How to detect the problem?
You have to learn more about knowledge about the TFT
Okay.
and the circuit, the circle.
The circuit, we can see in the circuit.
Yes, the signal is from here to here.
Okay, no. If there is any signal problem, how we know that on the screen? That this have a signal problem. This line has
Just
a signal
now,
problem.
my friend is cut the signal.
Okay.
So the line from here to here is disappear.
Okay.
But behind the point, the dot, the signal is not coming here. So we need to give this line.
Cut here.
Yes, a signal. It can disappear.
Okay, show me how to cut.
不切好。行吗？Okay, here. The yellow line is disappear.
Yes, the line is disappeared from here.
The dot is here.
But there is a dot over here.
The dot is we can't remove the dot because you can see a spot is here.
Okay, okay, got it.
As a golden spot, no, not a golden, a metal spot is here.
Okay.
We can remove the
Cannot remove the spot.
yes.
Got it.
But the line is disappear.
Line is disappeared.
Uh,
Okay, got it.
And you can now the panel is okay.
The pen is okay, right?
Another panel we can maintain is just like this. The white line. The line is the line is 垂直的水平的。The line is from here to here, right?
Yeah, disappear.
It disappear. Another case is we have this line from here to here. We can also repair.
Repair that line.
Yes,
It's no problem.
no problem.
Okay, that's good. So this machine is made in where?
VMU me to the my screw. This is a laser head. I can introduce this one. This is